I'm here in Dahilayan Adventure Park, and today we will dine here in Pine Grove Mountain Lodge, my home away from home. Pine Grove Mountain Lodge is located in Barangay Dahilayan, Manolo Fortich in Bukidnon. It has 19 rooms and is close to the different attractions of the adventure park. What I love about this place is the coziness and the food selection in their menu. Look at some of the dessert selection. So inviting. They also have their own homemade raisin bread, which is one of my favorite. I make it a point to bring some home. At heto na ang kanilang menu. Meron sila mga house specialties like the baby back ribs, lechon kawali, roast beef, beef kare-kare, crispy pata, and more. They also have some selections of appetizers, vegetables, soup, pasta or noodles, desserts, and beverages.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Pine Grove Mountain Lodge. Ito yung kangkong with liempo.
Nagpapaka-healthy lang ako sa kangkong, pero yummy itong kasamang lechong kawali. Look, so yummy!
Ito naman ang kanilang pinakbet na may lechon.
Ang healthy talaga ng mga napili namin. Mahilig kasi ako sa vegetables, lalo na sa lechong kawali.
Meron, yung crispy pata nandito na. Ang crispy pata.
Siyempre, hindi namin palalagpasin ang kanilang crispy pata. Hays, nagpapaka-healthy talaga kami dito.
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang garlic rice. Kakain na. Hindi ko kaya isubo ito ng buo.
Guys, eating time muna kami. Oops, umpisa pa lang yan. Rice is life.
Baboy. Ang baboy ng kangkong.
Rice pa more. And some fiber.
Sarap ng baboy. Hindi sa totoo lang, sa buhay, importante ang diskarte. Pati sa pagkain, dapat pagsubok malaki. Kangkong. Baboy pa rin.
Always include fiber in your meal para hindi kayo mahirapan alam niyo na.
Basta sa crispy pata, masarap yung balat. Balat ng crispy pata. Natsara.
Sarap talaga ng rice.
After ng isang buwan, bumalik ulit sila.
Ang lakas ng loob ko kumain ng madami, lalo na kung merong vegetables.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Sobrang taas ang inflation.
Apple crumble for dessert. Meron pa. Blueberry. Blueberry cheesecake. And another blueberry cheesecake.
Look at the apple crumble. May ice cream pa on top, which makes it more yummy. Then the blueberry cheesecake, sarap with a hot drink.
Ito yung
Nasa sir, no?
saan. So ito, Twinings. Green tea and lemon. Lagay ko ito dito. And then, oy. Ang bigat ah.
O, di ba? Nakakatuwa, may seremonya ka pa sa paglagay ng hot water.
Yung blueberry cheesecake. And now for the apple crumble.
Tama.
Good morning. I'm here in Dahilayan. Ha, take 2. Saan nga ba tayo? Good morning. I'm here in Dahilayan Adventure Park and nandito tayo sa isang eroplano ng Pidgeot by my kuya LP Paras. Tignan nyo, nagsasunbathing si Doggy Dog. Huwag natin istorbahin. Medyo malayo pa tayo. Hello, Doggy Dog. Sarap na. Horses,
So that's all for our adventure in Bukidnon. It's time to go back home to Manila. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching.